Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the blood volume, and particularly in this video we are going to learn about determination of blood volume. Okay, coming to blood volume. The total blood volume can be roughly calculated as 70 to 80 ml per kg of body weight. In adult males, the total volume of blood is about 5 to 6 liter, and in females about 4.5 to 5.5 liters. In children, though the absolute volume of blood present is significantly less than adults, the volume expressed per kg of body weight is more, that is 80 to 90 ml per kg with respect to the body weight. And blood volume is also expressed per square meter of body surface area, which is normally 2.8 liters per meter square of the body. Coming to determination of blood volume. Blood volume is determined by determining the plasma volume and cell volume separately. The normal ratio of plasma volume to cell volume is 55 is to 45. Okay, plasma volume is 55 and cell volume is 45% when compared with 100%. Okay, measurement of cell volume. Cell volume is measured by measuring the volume of red cells, the volume of leukocytes and platelets. The volume of leukocytes and platelets is ignored as they constitute minor fraction of total cell volume. Red cell volume is measured by radioactive isotope study. First, red cell volume. Red cell volume is the volume occupied by all circulating red cells. It is usually calculated by subtracting plasma volume from total blood volume. It is also directly calculated by injecting tagged red cell. The radioactive isotope of chromium is usually used as tag. Tau isotopes of iron 59 and phosphorus 32 are also used. The commonly used chromium isotope is chromium 51, which is attached to red cells through incubation of cells in the chromium solution. Determination of plasma volume. Plasma volume is usually measured by using dyes. The dye used is Evans Blue T1824. Plasma volume is also measured by injecting the serum albumin labeled with radioactive iodine. An average plasma volume is about 3.5 liters, that is 5% of the body weight of a 70 kg man. Total blood volume is calculated by multiplying plasma volume with 100 by 100 minus hematocrit. Hematocrit to be determined. If hematocrit is 40, plasma volume is 3.5 liters, then blood volume is plasma volume into, okay, I show you. In previous videos I show you the formula for this. Its formula is plasma volume into 100 by 100 minus hematocrit. Okay, you understand? Here plasma volume is blood volume is equal to plasma volume into 100 by 100 minus hematocrit. Hematocrit is also known as packed cell volume. I think you understand it. Plasma volume here is 3.5 into 100 by 100 minus hematocrit here given as 40. Okay, when we calculate this we get 5.8 liters. Remember guys, it may be given as 2 marks question also for you. Once again, blood volume is equal to plasma volume into 100 by 100 minus hematocrit. Okay, I think it is clear for you. You also remember the dye used in determination of plasma volume, that is Evans Blue T1824. And what is the average plasma volume in 70 kg man? That is 3.5 liters. It is about 5% of body weight. Okay, these are the questions you have to remember. And what is the ratio between plasma volume to cell volume? That is 55/45. And blood volume is also expressed per square meter of body surface. What is the normal value? 2.8 liters per meter square of the body. In children, how many ml per kg body weight blood is present? 80 to 90 ml per kg when compared with that of body weight. Okay, in adults it is 70 to 80 ml per kg of body weight. Okay, males total blood volume is 5 to 6 liters. In females it is 4.5 to 5.5 liters. Okay, these are the questions in this topic. In next video we are going to learn about the effective blood volume. It is one of the concept of determination of blood volume. Okay, it is one of the concept of blood volume. Okay, not determination of blood volume, it is one of the concept of blood volume. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.